Hello, tech enthusiasts and productivity geeks. This is Jennifer, and welcome back to Coda Magic, where we craft wonders from your daily tools. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our content. Last week, we explored the exciting world of integrating Trello into Coda using our very own Trello Deluxe pack, showing you step-by-step how to bring your project management to the next level. If you missed that tutorial, check out the link in the description below. So this week, we've got something special lined up. Many of you followed along with our last video, and now it's time to dive deeper. We'll show you how to generate the API key and token when prompted upon integrating Trello into Coda. We'll walk you through each step, making it easy and hassle-free. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get technical. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Trello's Power Ups page. That's www.trello.com/power-ups/admin. Under the Create tab, find and click on Power Ups from the side menu. Now click on the New button to create your personal Power Up. Here, you'll need to choose the workspace you have access to and want to connect to Coda. For the iframe connector URL, you can leave this field as it is. Next, enter your email address under Email and Support Contact. This is how Trello will reach you if there's any need for support. Field, write your name. This is crucial as it establishes responsibility and recognition for the creation of the Power-Up. It's all about taking credit for your awesome work. Now, click on Create to forge ahead. Look for the Generate a New API Key button, and there you have it. Click and wait for the magic window to pop up. Once you click Generate API Key, a new window opens with your key. Copy it and keep it safe. Remember, this is as important as a password. On the right side, you'll see Token. Clicking on it takes you one step closer to the final piece of the puzzle. Click Allow and boom! Your token comes into view. Copy this and keep it safe just like the API key. And just like that, you've harnessed the power of the Trello API key and token. With these keys to the kingdom, you're ready to bind Trello's capabilities with the beauty of Coda's organization. You're now equipped to take your project management from average to legendary with Trello and Coda integration using the Trello Deluxe pack. Stay tuned for our next video where we put these keys to use and show you the wonders of automation. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and share it with your network. Don't forget to comment with any questions or insights. This is Jennifer of Coda Magic, crafting wonders from your daily tools.